Yeah, I know. Here, Alberto, I'll catch you, I'll catch you, I'll catch you.
And I'm gonna show you how to get down this mountain.
Wait, let me get up there so it makes it look like it's tall.
I'm falling! Cameraman! Help me! Cameraman! Help me, cameraman!
Wait, I'm moving around so it looks exciting.
Shake the camera! Shake the camera!
Wait, I'm not supposed to show my face.
Oh,
Cameraman.
Cameraman, I'm falling! Cameraman! Cameraman!
Wait. That looks really far down.
Alright. I'm gonna show you how to get down this mountain. There's a little overhang safely.
Wait, and I also have to give you the camera. Wait, as you're going down. Wait, no, not yet.
Oh, man.
Here.
Okay, sure, man. Okay. I'm going down. I'm gonna jump into the... man. Cameraman, I'm revealing your identity. Jump!
Just in case if I die. Ow, my feet.
You okay, cameraman?
Yeah, a little bit.
Cameraman.